Class prep. Hello everyone. Today we are going to do reading from Soundbook. Take out your Soundbook too and open page number 12. Children, this is your page number 12. What do you see on page number 12? There is a man, hen, dog, cat. Okay. Now, a man is holding a bag and a rat in his hands. Let's start the reading. Said and my. A big rat is in my bag, said the man. A big rat is in my bag, said the man. Cluck, cluck, said the hen. Cluck, cluck, said the hen. It is not a rat. It is not a rat. It is my cup. It is my cup. It is a big rat, said the man. It is a big rat, said the man. Woof, woof, said the dog. Woof, woof, said the dog. It is not a rat. It is not a rat. It is not a cup. It is not a cup. It is my book. It is my book. It is a big rat, said the man. It is a big rat, said the man. Meow, said the cat. Meow, said the cat. It is not a rat. It is not a rat. It is not a cup. It is not a cup. It is not a book. It is not a book. It is a duck. It is a duck. It is a big rat, said the man. Look. It is a big rat, said the man. Look. Read, said. Meow, woof, woof, cluck, cluck, my. Now children, I am going to underline some words. Okay, so underline these words with me. Number 1, said, cluck, book, duck. Okay, said, cluck, book, duck. Okay, children, you have to do reading of this page and learn the spellings of these words and do dictation in your English copies. Kindly parents, take dictation from the children.